Sorry, where we store the data. Where we store the data variable. Voice is not at all clear. Okay, let's wait for few seconds. Let's wait for few seconds. I guess internet issue it seems. Guys, can you please give me the confirmation now? Is it good now? It's better. Okay. Thank you. It's okay now, I guess. So sorry for the interruption. So observe, I want to transfer the data from where to where? Template to the component. That is why I'm using what is the attribute now? Ng model. Now tell me, Ng model is a HTML attribute? No, sir. It is provided by Angular, specially designed for data binding purpose. Data binding purpose, two-way data binding purpose. So right now, observe, all my text I am going to insert in this field should go to what's a variable. So right now, observe what is the variable I am creating? ID. ID equal to what type of data, sir? Number data. So I provide now. Tell me what is the one I am going to write here? ID. Now observe, for understanding purpose, let me use the different variable name so that you can understand. Observe, SID. Now I am asking the question. Input field provided by whom, sir? HTML. Type provided by whom, sir? HTML. Name also provided by HTML. What about the Ng model, sir? Angular or HTML? Angular. What purpose, sir? Two-way data binding purpose. For what purpose? Two-way data binding purpose. So we have the one, and what is the variable I need to configure? SID here. Observe, input fields, create the form and provide the and configure the fields. Configure the fields. Fields means input field or select field or text area. So observe, do the data binding. So how to do this one? Create a property in the component. So for example, what is the property I created, sir? SID colon. What is the value, sir? Number. Now observe third. What is another property we are having, sir? Observe, bind this property with the field. With the field. How you are going to do this one? Very simple. Observe, input type equal to text and name equal to any other name you can configure. And observe, what is the next one, sir? Angular data binding syntax. Observe, Ng model. So N should be lowercase and M should be capital. M should be having the uppercase letter. Now observe, this is the format I need to write, and here I'm going to configure what's the SID. Now at runtime, if the user enter 1, the 1 value will be assigned to the SID. If I type 2, the value will be assigned to the SID. Now tell me, you are configuring, but the true actual data export logic you are writing or Angular is providing? Again, I will ask the question. Who is exporting your data? You are writing the code or Angular is providing the logic? Angular is providing the logic. Very good, sir. Very good. Now I am asking the question, what is the attribute is responsible for this one? What is the attribute is responsible for this one? Ng model. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So right now our browser can understand input tag. Our browser can understand what tag? Input tag. What about the type, sir? Can understand. Name can understand. What about the Ng model? It is the HTML syntax or Angular syntax? is a HTML syntax or Angular syntax, browser automatically it can understand, or we need to provide the browser understanding logic or our attribute related logic automatically, or we need to import? We need to import. Very good, sir. That is what I am asking. So right now, ng model is not a HTML provided attribute. I'm about to tell few statements here. Please understand. HTML means ng model is not a HTML provided attribute. It is a specially designed attribute by Angular team. What is the purpose of this one, sir? To export the data from the field to the component, from the UI to the component. In the same way, to provide the default values also it is possible. Means read as well as what, sir? Update. So what is the first step, sir? So that is why we need to do. So this ng model attribute is available in the forms module. ng model attribute is available in the forms module. That is why we need to import in the main module. So that is the statement I want to make. Why I need to import, sir? Because finally everything will be executed by your browser, but browser have the confusion here because we are not using the HTML, we are using the Angular syntax. Now ng model is a new syntax. That is why we need to provide what's the special approach. That is why we need to import what module? Forms module. So observe, go here, and we are going to import new one. Import Angular/forms. Now you can observe what is the module, sir? Forms module. That is what we need to do. So observe, we created the forms module, means we imported the form, means we get the definition, and we register as it is a dependency. Why we need to add this dependency? Because we are using the special feature. This feature is available in what module, sir? Forms module. There is no such kind of thing, Basha. Okay, whatever we need to import one by one. Okay, so that is the way. Now observe. Now, how many fields are there, sir? Three fields. Sorry, two fields. For this one also, observe. I want to capture the name data. That is why what is the one, sir? ng model equal to what is the one, sir? S name. You can configure whatever the name, whatever the property name, sir. But right now I am giving the S name. Now observe S name colon. What is the one, sir? String. Now everything is ready. Now observe. I want to verify what is the data saving related one, whether we are getting the data or not. That is why what is the answer? Console.log this dot sid. I am writing into the console so that I can verify once, and as well as this dot sname. This dot sname. Now everything is ready. Now here what is the answer? When I need to call, when I click on the button. So observe here I am going to configure what's here? Click equal to what is the answer? M1. Sorry, here what is the one? SID. That's fine, buddy. That's fine. So let me run the program. Very good, Nilima. CMD ng serve. I guess it is still running. That's why it is getting the compile successfully. Compile successfully. So let us see the program. See, sir, you are able to export your data from where to where, 1 comma, from template to the component, from template to the component.